Take a look at this 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood Broome. The customer sent in this steering wheel. Obviously the leather is worn and wants to have the leather redone, but he also wants to have it converted to a wood and leather steering wheel. So we're going to take all the old leather off. It's got an old broken down padding underneath it that you can almost see my thumb going into it, but we're going to take this old padding off, clean up the wheel. Then we're going to add wood grain on the top and the bottom to match the wood on the horn pad, and that's going to be just a striking look. We will put this through our transformation process and we'll come back and show you how it looks when it's done. Would you look at that? Cadillac Fleetwood Broome 1985. Not only restored, he wanted to do something a little bit different on this. So what we did is put the wood grain on the top and bottom to be a little more modern look than the old school. We matched to the center horn for the wood grain, obviously, and the leather that matched the horn pad. On this one, we also repainted the back hub area to match. That new leather just looks gorgeous. We went with that super nice baseball stitching on there. Just really ties this all back together again. Is really going to upgrade and update this Cadillac. So whatever you need, steering wheels of any make and model, give us a call here at craftcustoms.com.